Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bitfinex to Bookmap. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is go to settings and manage plugins. Then from here we see here Bitfinex, so we click on install and now he's downloading the plugin and now it's ready to use. So do OK. And then we click right here on the cross. Then from now we go to connections, configure. And now what we're going to do is do add connection. And then from now he is doing Binance One, but now we search right here for Bitfinex. And then he automatically recognizes it right here. Now we can also enable trading if you want to do that. But if you now click here on OK, and we go to connections, you will find right here the Bitfinex option. So if you select right here Bitfinex, he is loading Bitfinex, and now we can start using Bitfinex right here in Bookmap. So this is how you can connect Bitfinex to Bookmap. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.